A major breakthrough has emerged in a cold case that has puzzled investigators for nearly 2 decades in LaVergne, Tennessee. After 18 years, the DNA Doe Project has identified her as 40-year-old Mary Alice Maloney. Maloney, a native of Connecticut, had been living in the Nashville area prior to her disappearance. On November 14, 2007, a police officer discovered partial skeletal remains in a remote wooded area off Hollandale Road in LaVergne, Tennessee. Investigators found no clothing at the scene, but there was jewelry with the remains, 2 bracelets, an Avon Lovable Pets stretch bracelet with pictures of cats, another with ceramic beads, and a gold-plated ring with light blue and amber-colored stones. A forensic scientist determined the remains were of a black or multiracial female between 5'5" and 5'6" tall and between 25 and 49 years of age with short brown hair. Officials estimate the woman died in either the spring or summer of 2007. LaVergne police turned to the DNA Doe Project after years of being unable to identify the remains. The volunteer organization uses genetic genealogy investigators to help solve cold cases involving unidentified victims. When her DNA results came through, however, it was clear that all of the unidentified women's matches were very distantly related to her. The team assigned to the case could tell from her matches that she had recent roots in Puerto Rico as well as African American heritage. But figuring out how these distant matches were connected to her proved very challenging. Then, in April of 2021, a new DNA match appeared in the GEDmatch database. This match was of African American descent, and she shared nearly 2% of her DNA with LaVergne Jane Doe. While she was still only a distant cousin, she was a substantially closer match to the identified woman than anyone else in any of the databases, and the team immediately began building out a family tree. Within weeks, they made a crucial discovery. A distant relative of the new match had married a man of Puerto Rican descent in 1963, and 4 years later, they'd had a little girl named Mary. Further research revealed that Mary had been living in the Nashville area up until 2007, but after that, she had disappeared from the records. This information was passed on to the LaVergne Police Department, and they later confirmed that the woman formerly known as LaVergne Jane Doe was in fact Mary Alice Maloney. While identifying Maloney represents a significant breakthrough, the investigation continues. The LaVergne police confirmed that there is still an ongoing cold case investigation underway.